Is everyone feeling jolly?
I'm Greg.
I'm Julie, and we're the Crafty Winers.
I feel like I should go ho 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 or something, but it's not the right time of year.
You can still go ho ho ho.
Okay, I did.
So did I. We are making another version of something we accidentally made the first time because we had some leftover lemonade and some leftover cider because we had too much in the jar to add our fruit or whatever it was we were adding. So
Don't remember because it was
a long time ago.
Almost a year ago.
So we threw them together just for the heck of it, and it was okay. But we said, well, let's put some flavor in it. So we put a little.
She thought of
sour apple.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it turned out really good. And then we made a full batch of it. We called it the Jolly Rancher. So this is Jolly Rancher Part 2. We're making a watermelon
one. And we have not done it before because we have not had batches. Like I said, these have been sitting in the fridge
for a while.
Half a gallon of lemonade and a half a gallon of apple cider since September and October of last year, and it's now May of the following year. So
we decided we finally should do something.
We need to do something with those. Yeah.
So watermelon Jolly Rancher it is.
So they both have sediment from sitting in the fridge, cold crashing for so long. One of them I thought we could get away with it just has clay at the bottom.
Tiny bit, yeah.
We could get away with just pouring one into the other, but the lemonade's got quite a bit of sediment at the bottom because of the pulp. So we're going to go ahead and rack them first thing. And we won't take a lot of your time. We're just going to transfer these into another container, and you can watch our racking video to see how we do it. Okay, so that's the second half gallon. We have almost a full gallon of lemonade cider lemonade. We're going to clean this off. Okay, so we know about how much we used of the green apple syrup for the other one. And it was a lot. It was a lot. So we're not going to go through this 3 ounces at a time like we normally do.
We also aren't sure of the difference of the sweet level between the watermelon and the sour apple. So we're not going to go all the way to where it was.
We're going to do a 1/4 cup, which is 10 ounces-ish. And we do have another container of this watermelon that I guess I'm going to be breaking into right now. You guys want to play with that? Or are you just going to look at it and go lay back down?
She's hoping it has something she can lick.
It does have really good stuff in it, but I don't think you can get into it. Sorry. Okay, so that's a 1/4 cup. And we're not thinking this is probably going to be all we need to put in. So yeah, this takes a lot. And we don't have a ton of headroom, so we're going to end up having to watch for that.
Uh-oh.
There's plenty now, but if we have to add more, there is a possibility we'll have to start pulling this out. But I can tell by the color that we're in the neighborhood.
You say that every time we do a watermelon anything. I can tell by the color.
Oh, yeah, I know what color. I know about what color I think it's supposed to be to taste like watermelon. And this is dark enough. But you can always tell when it's too watery. There's just no way that it's going to have enough flavor when it's too light.
Yeah, he's the watermelon expert.
I drink myself some watermelon.
That's what we're drinking right now. This is watermelon lemonade.
I'm trying to not, though, because it affects me when I taste. And we've done a lot of tasting today, for whatever reason. I guess that's kind of what we do.
We had to taste everything to know what we're going to do with it.
Okay. It's ready. Honestly,
You think it's ready?
It's really close.
I think it might... I don't know. I was just kind of looking for the watermelon Jolly Rancher type flavor. And it's not quite at that level.
Okay, so another...
Maybe 3 ounces, and that's probably going to be good. I wrote 10 ounce-ish.
All the markings are dishwashed off this. So that is
I see.
That's a cup. And then that's the 1/4. That should be 1 1/4. So yes, that was 10 ounces.
Okay.
Okay, so we're doing another 3. Is that what we're agreeing on?
That's what I wrote down.
Well, we don't want you to have to erase it, because the eraser probably sucks.
It does suck, actually.
This smells a lot like Jolly Rancher watermelon flavor.
Mm-hmm.
And this is, or is not, sugar-free. This is sugar-free.
Sugar-free.
What are you doing, Nori Dog?
But
Trying to
what's
say you
doing?
want water? So we're pawing the water bottle?
They're so funny. They when they need water upstairs, they've got it's a jug that drips into the bowl, and it's like a gallon jug. When it's out and I don't notice it, they knock the jug off of the base so that I notice that they don't have any water.
Fix it, human.
Yep, that's exactly. It works because I notice it. They're not stupid. Sorry, I got that down the wrong pipe. I think it's good.
Yeah. So
13 ounces total.
13 ounces, which is slightly less than we did of the green apple, but carbonation does get rid of some of the sweetness. Right now it seems a little too sweet, but I know that it won't once it's carbonated. Well, I don't know that. I suspect it won't.
Probably, yeah.
So this is going to go into our fridge for a few days, and then I will carbonate it. And we will come back on next week and taste it. Puppies are saying it is dinner time. You should be done by now. Is that what you're saying?
She's got kind of a grumpy look on her face.
It does look grumpy. Why are you grumpy?
Okay. We are ready to taste this final product.
Just I wasn't seeing as many bubbles as I was expecting, but they're there.
Yeah, there's bubbles. We had a little bit of a question on whether it was carbonating correctly.
I had a valve turned wrong, but I think I did it correctly on the carbonation, and I did have it turned off when we were bottling, but it shouldn't have affected it. So this, you can see
it's carbonated.
Mine's very carbonated.
Yours is more carbonated than mine. Let's go.
It's because the glass is dirtier, isn't that what they say? That's why the bubbles form.
Yeah.
There's hard water on my glass.
Yeah, there is.
So let's give it a try.
Okay.
Huh. That's pretty good.
It is.
It's not. It's not 100% the watermelon Jolly Rancher flavor.
No, it's not.
And I know it well. I know that flavor well because that's my favorite flavor of Jolly Rancher. But this is really good, even though it's not 100% the same. I'm trying to figure out why it's not 100% the same. I really think it's the lemonade. Probably it's a little more tart than the Jolly Rancher flavor.
Maybe. Or that syrup that we have might not taste just like a Jolly Rancher. Watermelon Jolly Rancher. It doesn't say it does.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah, that's not what they're trying to claim.
It's also sugar-free.
I will say, yeah, that is a good point. That could actually, the sweetener could make it different. But make a difference. I like this much better than the Truly watermelon lemonade.
Yeah?
Yeah, for sure. Absolutely better. Yeah.
I don't drink that one, so I can't say for sure.
It's a lot better.
Okay, well, good.
And that is sugar-free as well. I think that is sugar-free.
What, the
this? Yeah.
Yeah, it's fake sweetener.
So there isn't an advantage either way on that, but I like the flavor of this better. That's good.
Cool. All right, well, I guess it's Corgi Paws time.
Okay, I know I'm giving it.
I, as you know, am not a huge fan of artificial watermelon flavor. Though I do like the Jolly Ranchers, but that's about the extent of it. I don't like watermelon Laffy Taffy or any of those things. So I'm going to give it a 2.5.
Wow.
Just based on we have so many good ciders and lemonade combination things that I'm going to have to do that. 2.5.
I'm giving it a 4.
Wow. Okay.
But the little caveat there is that I like watermelon.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I like real watermelon. I'll eat watermelon all summer long.
No, I really like this. I will finish this bottle tonight.
It's all yours.
After we do our last tasting of the day.
Yeah. Oh, look, you don't have anything to cheers with. Well, I guess I've got a little bit left in here.
I do have my other bottle.
This is the peach lemonade, which I
this is
gave a 4 to.
Mango peach seltzer.
Higher than a 4 to this. It's one of my favorites.
Yeah, it's also good.
Okay.
Well, we don't commonly disagree on scores, but we did on this one. So this is one of my favorite I don't know what we're calling it still. Cider? Since it's lemonade and cider?
It's, yeah, I don't know. It's its own breed.
It's
It's
good.
Ciderade.
Ciderade, yeah.
But, yeah, I don't dislike it. It's...
Well, 2.5 says you don't like it.
Well, I didn't give it 0. It's be a no paw situation.
That would be a sad corgi.
There's only one I've ever given. I've never given a 0. There's one I've given a 1 to.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Neither of us liked it.
Okay, well, I guess that's it. You get the other 7 bottles of this, and
I think Kaylee will like it too.
oh yeah, she will.
And Nick.
Yep. So you don't get all 7 bottles. I'll
We'll
give
find
a couple
out.
to them.
We'll find out in a couple of days when she comes over.
Okay, thank you guys for watching another one of our videos. I hope it was interesting. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much. We appreciate your support. And until next time, cheers.